Hi everyone, I'm Caleb at Wolf Construction Group, and today we're going to talk about a very important thing that you guys have probably experienced, and we have to deal with every single day. That's assisting you guys and assisting us at the same time, which is working with a structural engineer. So a couple things to look for, which we talk about all the time again, is what to look for when you could possibly need a structural engineer to come out and perform an assessment on your home. It's the same stuff. Any cracking over tops of windows, doors, any cracking in the brick veneer, or any type of your CMU foundations. If you see any unlevel floors, sagging floors, bouncing floors, any signs of those type of things that we discuss all the time. That could mean that you need to get a structural engineer out there. Of course, we're happy to come out and look at it first for you. And if we think a structural engineer is needed, then we can get him involved. We work with several engineers that we recommend and that we can bring them out and kind of help and coach you guys through the process. But that's kind of the signs and things to look for. What the engineer is going to do is he's going to come out, perform an assessment similar to what we do. He's going to look at everything. He's going to look at the structure of the home, how it was constructed. He's going to make sure it was constructed properly. He's going to go through every little issue. He's going to go through the crawl space if needed or basement, and he's going to look at how everything and what the issues are, and then he's going to draw up a repair plan. Sometimes he will also add a drawing. They will take lots of photos and documentation, and then they will put basically a package together with repair recommendations that then we can use to give you guys an estimate for repairs if any are needed. So that's kind of in a nutshell, what it looks like to work with an engineer. And of course, if you ever have any questions or concerns, please reach out to us at wolf.construction, and we're happy to help and give any recommendations for any engineering that you may need. Have a good weekend.